Hi there, good day is going. Today, I will explain how System Development Lifecycle or SDLC works, given is the scenario about Nadios. Nadios is an operating system that can help users complete their tasks easier. Nadios already have multiple users or even millions around the world. This operating system might be a great competitor to Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac, or even Ubuntu. For some reason, not every operating system is perfect for its user. Bugs is the one thing that they must resolve. Here is the scenario. Oh, Nadios is making my work slower. It didn't work properly.
Oh Lord, Nadios make it even crash when opening application.
This OS has a problem with startup.
This is too much. I have to report to the developer about this.
The frustrated user sent a lot of email and system reports to the developer. After the developer receives emails from the user, they decide to improve Nadios. A project request is created and handed to the steering committee. Stella, Hila, and Bucky as the steering committee held a meeting to discuss about the problem.
There's too many reports we have received about Nadios. We have to do something.
Yeah, true. We should improve Nadios and make this operating system much better without bugs.
I have reviewed the project request and it seems that the solution that developer team creates can solve our problem.
Great, the soon this problem solved, the better.
You're right, but how about the resource? Where should we allocate it?
I have allocated it. Our company's fund is enough to proceed with the improvement project.
Good, but we should form a development team first to proceed.
Leave that to me. I will assemble the team to upgrade our system.
Glad to hear that the fund problem had been solved. I want the responsible team being assembled by this weekend. Bucky?
Don't worry, I will assemble a team that specialists in this case. Further information will be informed to you. I will assemble this team as soon as possible.
The next day, the program analyst set up a meeting to determine and define the exact nature of the problem or improvement and decide whether it is worth pursuing. Alia and Aina would conduct a preliminary investigation and detailed analysis to solve the problem.
Let's start it. We'll make a great team. Let's divide the task by 2. I will in charge in interviewing the developer to ask some inquiries about this, to know the root of problems we have.
I will send an email to Nadia's user and they will give us their feedback about our OS. From the feedbacks, we can analyze the problems by forming a report.
From that, we could figure out way to improve Nadios better than current OS.
After performing detailed analysis, the team will now proceed to the design phase. In this phase, the team will acquire hardware and software of the new modified system.
We should acquire some hardware to modify the bugs.
Yes, I would suggest by adding new database server, it would help us improve Nadios much faster and better. I have evaluated one of the best database server that we needed.
Great! We can proceed to have authorization from the steering committee.
After acquired hardware and software that been approved by the steering committee, Aina and Zach construct detailed design of the new or modified system. They modified the Nadios based on their database design, input and output design, and program design. Steve and Will from the development team worked to implement the new system of Nadios. After the system analyst works closely with the team about the new system, it works well.
Hey Steve, long time no see. I heard you just came back from vacation.
Yes, it is so make me gain a business.
I'm glad that you said like that. I think we should continue our task immediately.
Yes, our management already told that we need to complete this task by the end of this week.
As usual, we need to verify these programs can work by itself.
I agree. Then, we have to do unit tests, system tests, integration tests, and acceptance tests.
Exactly, I'm agree with you. Steve, Wayne, and other fellas from the team arranged a training class for all users. During the training session, Steve, Wayne, and the team shows them how to use the new version of Nadios. After implementing the system, maintenance is the most important thing. The purpose of maintenance, support, and security phase is to provide ongoing assistance for an information system and its user after the system is implemented. Here's the conversation from Amin and Sai, also from the development team.
Alright, so we have analyzed the system and it works well.
I have been performed the maintenance and monitor the system performance. So far, no more problem that causing the operating system slow.
But I have received an email that user need more features.
We should send request to the steering committee.